ngasi akhoi tawdoriba topic sibudi torque ki matangdani QUE torque because of a dipole maram oiraga puthorappa torque oidoini in a uniform electric field adu yogdringaidi amo akhoi example ama hani yengamsi hauzik on mamangna tawgidu dipole maram oiraga electric field on akhoi dipole axis dama puthokpama and equatorial plane puthokpam tawgimne badu gi maramda kainwan laire example ama laire emphasis yawba adugidu yengamsi haningo two charges plus minus 10 microcoulomb 10 microcoulomb mai dari 10 power minus 6 coulomb wani plus 5 millimeter apart 5 millimeter height in terms of meter 5 divided by centimeter don't okay targana 10 centimeter dagi meter on okay kargana 100 amga this meter or any apart id a dagi b c book c uziki 5 millimeters oil haibne chamana monga sigisu a dagi bc 5 millimeter haibne loide ke dogi insi determine the electric field at a at a point p a aham gida sigina a gi point p sigida determine taw haire on the axis of the dipole 15 centimeter away from its center O on the side of the positive charge as on positive rom gi thangmanakan gi right diagonally sidagi uziki center sidagi sibuksi ma 15 centimeter ne hai 15 centimeter ne hai then b gidana kamai tawre point q sigi point q sida puthon hai 15 centimeter away from O kadaina ma o sida laire aduna have this sida laire see this is 15 centimeter passing through normal axis is haijare akoina puthokpada makhan ani thongna puthokpa yai direct formula am sinaba direct formula akoina khangaba anai khangna le direct formula or ani subda derivation gi type ta a gi su electric field puthokpa b gi da su electric field puthokpa aduga ani se tension da aduga putho su yai ani makhan ani mak se iste yaw yengu pan holak toini puthokringai sida sigi ani subagi se si jan hot pani moi dadi kamai tawge ha matamda electric field at point B boiring galone electric field at point B boiring galo si puthok ai taradi 1 by 457 not charge q divided by magi distance to oidoini sigi point B sidagi point P baw si habidi kaino 15 centimeter minus kya hoega daba see half of this 5 millimeter 5 by 2 millimeter si mayam se yana ba koina anima meter don thok bini adu what kani b gi smai puthokani a gi smai puthokani adu ko what kani palak pani engu at p due to charge positive ki ai targadi yangu sigi meter don thokre sigi su meter don thokre meter on the smile lairoi 10 power minus 4 and yaw is adunani aduga electric field at point p se puthoe si tazer agani then along bp adigom dare bp somna kanjit then what else si puthoe tare point p da due to charge minus kisi kamayong dore song yakan ni na watt kibani later sida minus q hai gera 이거지. minus q something plus q higher main tawre habida tangkhai dane lak tu je amana plus torkani amana minus torkani atra si mamang da tawgibni mu electric field minus ki puthok matam da koi plus taw khise then sida yaw isine hai si makha gi sida amana minus tor is laksan na banga na aga na koi khaidok na re lap pa gana tinjin na bjo adu gi tor ko puthok pani mun ne yengu si ai de hapet hin oina hiram bani si to ije ho cha ga mu yenga da bani smain tor ga ani tare smain to bong smain to ka resultant electric field at point P due to charges A and B hai tar ga di kai dore ani je moi gi keno di manadam ni na amana along BP ni amana along PA ni amana somna kanda amana somna kando ayam na ni je khaidok na re khaidok na matam jida resultant in tare 2.7 and 0.5 atu dai da kanani hena chawi BP rom den leibs ni hen chawi aduna along BP oye then mathangi de yeng siamu mathangi sidana isam samna sigi formula je pan along dipole axis ki equal to twice p sina kai tare dipole lo ta doine dipole adu gi formula je pan sel yeng matam da dipole adi kaina p equal to twice magi length into one of the charges so ibni charge which is equal and opposite ni magnitude of charge and the low vi adu ni je p bu thoi se adu ga si formula je pan matam dana sigi tare 2.6 into 10 power 5 mathak is dana 2.7 into 10 power 5 ganak na di tane then mathangi makha is dana kamai tawre makha is dana hojiki do smaina laibani magi sidam zakhani dam lani says the lazy sida dum taage somni ek mohta si 15 ne na haire sigi asang si su khange doi targa de sigi sina 15 millimeter gi tangkhai do ni na tra doi targa de apoina puthok da kar tai se sigi length di mai puthok ni qb square ha di kaino Pythagoras theorem pa laga qb square hai targa di mighty qb square hai targa di qo square plus kaino ob square so yakani sen litin jana ta ko adu mak ni sida tom doi se aduga ob ka hai targa na kai dora square root of this two adu mak ni je term is plus charge ki um puthokpa then negative charge um puthokpa sina plus charge ki ni at b da e equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught one of the charges divided by so is the plus minus capital r oi lak padi kai gino this is as a magnitude magi direction khanar kanda minus to the hapak pani aduna kai dore sida magi distance to hojiki si side lai matam da sigi distance to adugi square do name is la is sub x boy adugi name is the lai si aduga puthoe tar is kai dara amagi na plus ki na si tare minus ki na si tare moi ani se kai dora ni duga tension then another cos theta nangochu lerekhibudo the components of these two forces with equal magnitude cancel along mathaki smaina leibdadi sigi mathakta leiba makha da leibdadi cancel tawnare somda leiba ni du tension ani aduni sida torisi but add up along the direction parallel to BA. Therefore, the resultant electric due to two charges in B is 2 times kay lae. Sigisina kay no hay matamda. Sigisina cos theta gi 2e cos theta na lakhibne mamang lakhi matamda. Magi what ki matamda. Alai se kremdo stage lae to equal to 2e cos theta na si cos theta sini puthokhido mamang da puthokibagi chamanana mongda sigisina kamai lere sigisina theta hoy taragadi cos theta do kayo iduino. If this is theta, then magi OB divided by C hypotenuse QB se QB is OB so half of 5 millimeters so iduino. See half of 5 millimeters later since OB gi dusri later times na kaino e do see koina equation one of this either of this manana su tare edana aduga answer phangbane magi direction sidi opposite to that of P oibani dipole sina -2 poles A to B rom sat matamda resultant sina B to A opposite rom sat kani na dagi diga dai sa kra sigisina positive mai tar putho su yare natraga samna si sam formula se palaga dum direct kai tar keni yeng yare 1.33 lai sigisina kai lai 1.33 chamana la to 6 smain tar makada poina topic we have dipole in a uniform external field. Dipole amana uniform oiba external field electric field amda leiba matamda kamain tawni have the yengdoi ne ko gi engo sei sida consider a permanent dipole of dipole moment P vector in a uniform external electric field E vector oidoini as shown in the figure. The figure says the lacing. By permanent dipole, we mean the dipole exists irrespective of E. It has not been induced by E. Mamangida koina kaino khanagidana. Picture E kayana ba carbon dioxide khanagidana mawanda dipole leite leraktuisi electric field lerakandani ganaga tawgibido adugumba natte sigisdadi hanadagi polar molecule ne bakoina yengdoise meaning dipole se dum lei irrespective of electric field leigera leiroigera duni seise leise dipole minus q abamuga plus q abamuga seise equal and opposite charges later external field am e am main taraga a uniform oina loin mak ta thare teki tholaki yengse there is a force QE on Q and force minus QE on minus Q. F se kai ga mane hai matamda Q E ga mane na khoi tam gibani mamang da yaw gibani adugi duni minus Q gi na minus QE dhole minus QE na si makha sida pi thare plus QE na si mathak sida pi re. The net force on a dipole is 0. Net force is 0 since E is uniform. External field is uniform. amna sina hai je kaino translatory motion am ta leite habni adubu akhoi ungbam diaw tori torque am diaw tori which is rotatory motion am diaw tori. However, the charges are separated, so the forces act at different points, resulting in a torque on the dipole. Torque hai bagi artha di force ka manadui ni karma makhan ki force no in a rotatory system da equivalent ni mazi when the net force is 0 the torque couple is independent of the origin the couple is a equal and opposite force somdam ga p se mo ani se punjan naraga kaino semi a couple its magnitude equals the magnitude of its force multiplied by the arm of the couple perpendicular distance between the two antiparallel forces antiparallel habdi parallel di oidoi magi direction je khenari je this is antiparallel dagi kai jo hai gre magnitude of torque ki idea se torque or tau smine se ibani smine se inabani kai ga managi hai matam da one of the force amaga kai ga managi hai matam da the perpendicular distance between the two forces perpendicular distance ka mana doine adoi di akoi perpendicular distance puthokpa dakar tare sida theta nama leise what is this theta is the angle between the magnetic field ga akoi gi torque siga gi marak leiba torque and momentum dipole sigi sigi electric field siga dipole gi marakta p jina layadana e jina layadana ni siga marakta leiba angle jine akoi theta na ise doi taragadi yangu isi sangdorakke smile lehenge is smile sangi sida theta layer ni na corresponding angles oina sida su theta layer ani meaning si ju theta or ni adoi taragadi what is sin theta is sigi distance natra sigi distance koi some x na korsi x by magi kaino sida laise dipole dugi length dipole length x into twice a boy gadra into nate x divided by twice a देखिना twice a होई तारगदी मोगी distance ना अदुई तारगदी कई तारे सिगी x सिदी कई का माना रे सिगी x से ना माना रख तो इसी even माइत्रे सिगी x से ना माना रख तो इसी sin theta times twice a का माना रखनी दुई तारगदी one of the forces is QE निदना times twice a sin theta लाग तो इन्हें सिगी x ना perpendicular distance between the two charges ओई दुई निदना अदोई तारग देंगो QE 2a sin theta से इसे लाइज इन्हें QE times 2a sin theta अदुबु अकोई कई खंगी twice a q सिगी सिदी कई ने EBI this is but the dipole ने अब सिगी सिदी P मसा अदोई तारग दी कमाइन इरक पे आ रहा है सिगी तंग सत्ता के ई है सिगी सी EBI आ रही सी P E sin theta ने EBI आ रही है torque is equal to अकोई ना कहीं नोटे ई गया ही तारग दी in vector form दी ई गया ही तारग दी कमाइन EBI आ रहा है in this torque should be equal to P cross E and EBI आ रही है P cross E cross P ना तो B cross E सिद्धगी cross product सिद्धगी दम sin theta से थोड़ा कुछ भी आई देना अदु नहीं सिगी सिद्ध E किसी torque equal to dipole cross electric field. This torque will tend to align the dipole with the field E. When P is aligned with E, the torque is 0. Align abdi manar ka naibni E ju somda P ju somda sumai laita ragdi masana ta abni sumaina laita ragdi mueni ki marka lebe angle do 0 layani Sine 0 is but 0. Torque will be 0. Parallel the layer kanasu and anti-parallel the layer kanasu. Moi kano the more name. Anti-parallel the layer kana kamay torni angle between them is 180 degree. Sine 180 degree is also 0 now. So I see that torque ki matang na loisan si matang na di Gauss law.